Welcome to ThinkCapital. Today we are showing you how to use TradingView to take your trading to the next level. From advanced analysis to executing trades directly from ThinkCapital, this guide will help you succeed. TradingView is one of the most powerful tools available for traders. Its advanced charting capabilities, customizable indicators, and global trading community make it essential for success. With ThinkCapital, you can execute trades directly from TradingView, blending analysis and execution in one seamless experience. Connecting your ThinkCapital account to TradingView is easy. Log into your TradingView profile, navigate to the broker panel, select Think Markets, and follow the simple prompts to link your account. Once connected, you are ready to analyze and trade. Use TradingView's tool to analyze market trends like a pro, draw trend lines, plot Fibonacci retracements, and use indicators like RSI or MACD. The platform's flexibility allows you to customize your analysis for any trading style. Once your analysis is complete, execute trades directly from TradingView with ThinkCapital. Select your trade size, set a stop loss, and take profit levels and place your order, all without leaving the chart. TradingView and ThinkCapital are the perfect pair for any trader. With powerful analysis tools and seamless execution, you have everything you need to succeed. Ready to get started? Sign up today and take your trading to the next level.